Hey guys, Kevin here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please do comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe. I basically review all kinds of products out there. I'm not picky, and today my product that I want to share with you is more for the gamers out there. I thought this was kind of cool. I'll include a link below to Amazon if you want to check out more information on it. But it is by Yukkio, and it is a large RGB gaming mouse pad. So as you can see, it is really big. It fits your keyboard and continuous for your mouse. So why it's kind of the gaming mouse pad is you don't ever have to, while you're, let's say you're playing Fortnite or something like that, you don't have to worry about running off of the mouse pad, essentially, and then all of a sudden your mouse not working. And then the whole edge here, if you can notice, is that's the color changing LEDs here. And right now it's just set on red. And then I kind of have it, I plugged it in right now to my laptop, but you can, it's just a standard USB. So if you want to pick up a brick, you can do that, plug it into that, or you can plug it into your computer. I typically just have it plugged into my computer, and that's how it gets power. And then here is the base unit, plugs in here, and then there's a little switch here that does the color changing. So you can see it has lots of various color options. It's got green here, and it's got the blue, purple, and then kind of lighter blue, yellow. I mean, there's tons of colors. And then it does this options where it just rotates through various colors, and then some other options with rotating through colors. So it looks really cool at night with the lights out and everything, and it's pretty affordable. So like I said, I'll include a link below on to Amazon so you can check it out. Just kind of spruce up your workstation or your computer for your gaming, and I mean you can use it for anything really. But like I said, it's by Yukkio. I've been really happy with it, and it's super soft, flexible, and everything. It's done really well. So check it out. Feel free to, like I said, please, if you enjoyed the video, like it, and feel free to share it, and then subscribe to my channel. And until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.